EZ system of nomenclature of geometrical isomer. ज्यामेट्रिकल आइसोमर्स के नामांकरण की EZ पद्धति. Two different groups or items at each carbon of double bond are given priority order number one, two on the basis of sequence rules as we have known in our S configuration of organic compounds. If group or items with higher priority order number are at same side of double bond, then this geometrical isomer is called as Z geometrical isomer. Z means Zusa man. Z means Zusa man. Zusa man means together. This is German word. If same groups or item with items with higher priority order number are opposite to each other along the double bond, then this geometrical isomer is called as E, geometrical isomer. E, geometrical isomer. E, geometrical isomer. E means Ant-Jaggin. Ant-Jaggin means across or opposite. It is also German word. Now, EZ system of nomenclature of geometrical isomers. In EZ system of nomenclature of geometrical isomers, two different groups or items at each carbon or double bond are given priority order number 1, 2 on the basis of sequence rules as we have studied in RS configuration of organic compound. Now, if the groups or items with a higher priority order number are at the same side of the double bond, then this geometrical isomer is called as Z geometrical isomer. Z means zusammen. Zusammen means together. It is a German word. In the same way, if the group item with higher priority order number are opposite to each other along the double bond, then this geometrical isomer is called as E geometrical isomer. E means Ant-Jaggin. Ant-Jaggin means across or opposite, is also a German word. अब ज्यामितीय समावयों का EZ नामांकन पद्धति में हम डबल बॉन्ड के हर एक कार्बन पर जो दो विभिन्न समूह अथवा परमाणु होते हैं उनको वरीयता क्रम संख्या देते हैं सीक्वेंस नियमों के आधार पर, जो कि हमने RS कार्बनिक यौगिकों की RS कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में पढ़े हैं। अब यदि उच्च वरीयता वाले हायर प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर नंबर वाले ग्रुप या आइटम डबल बॉन्ड की एक तरफ हैं, तो ऐसे ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर को हम कहेंगे जेड ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर। जेड ज्योमेट्रिकल, जेड के मतलब होते हैं जूसामेन, जूसागमेन के मतलब होते हैं टुगेदर। ये भी एक जर्मन वर्ड है। अगर हायर प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर वाले ग्रुप या परमाणु एक दूसरे के डबल बॉन्ड के आसपास एक दूसरे से अपोजिट है या एक दूसरे के विपरीत है, तो वो कहलाता है ई ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर। यानी ई मींस Ant-Jaggin। Ant-Jaggin के मतलब होते हैं अक्रॉस या अपोजिट। नाउ एग्जांपल 1, this is Cl Br C double bond C IF. Now here I has more atomic number and F has lesser atomic number. Therefore, according to sequence rule, I will be given priority order number 1 and F will be given priority order number 2. In the same way, here Br has more atomic number. Therefore, Br will be given priority order number 1 and Cl will be given priority order number 2. Now, writing this alkene in the form of Ez geometrical isomer. C double bond C. Now higher priority order number is 1 and to next is 2. Therefore, I Br Cl and F. This is having I having priority order number 1. Br is also having priority order number 1. Cl is having priority order number 2. And F is also having priority order number 2. Therefore, it is Z geometrical isomer. It is Z geometrical isomer. Now, here C double bond C, F upward to double bond and I downward to double bond, and this will remain as such. Br and Cl. Now I has priority order number 1, F has priority order number 2. Add this carbon of double bond. Here Br has priority order number 1 and Cl has priority order number 2. Since group or atom with higher priority order number are opposite to each other along the double bond, therefore it is E geometrical isomer. E geometrical isomer. Example 2. This is Br H C double bond C Cl D. Now this is having atomic number 17. Therefore, it will be given priority order number 1. And this is having atomic number 1. Deuterium having atomic number 1. Therefore, it will be given priority order number 2. Here, Br is having atomic number 35. Therefore, it will be given priority order number 1. And H is having atomic number 1. Therefore, it will be given priority order number 2. Now, Ez geometrical isomer of this compound will be written in this way. C double bond C Cl Br H D. Cl, Br and Hd. Since here Cl is having priority order number 1 and D is having priority order number 2. In the same way, here Br is having priority order number 1, H is having priority order number 2. Since the groups are atoms with high priority order number are at the same side of double bond, therefore it is Z geometrical isomer. Z geometrical isomer. Now C double bond C Br and H D and Cl. Now priority order number of these groups are item. It is have priority order number 1, it is having priority order number 2, it is having priority order number 1, it is having priority order number 2. Since the groups are atoms with higher priority order number are opposite to each other along the double bond, therefore it is E geometrical isomer. E geometrical isomer. अब इस अल्कीन में इस डबल बॉन्ड पर Cl और D लगे हैं, क्योंकि Cl का एटॉमिक नंबर ज्यादा है ड्यूटेरियम से, यानी Cl का है 17, ड्यूटेरियम 1 है, तो इसको प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर नंबर 1 देंगे, D को 2 देंगे। अब इस डबल बॉन्ड के इस कार्बन पर Br है और H है, क्योंकि Br का एटॉमिक नंबर 35 है, इसलिए इसको प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर 1 देंगे, और H का 1 है, इसको 2 देंगे। अब इस ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर में हाई प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर वाले ग्रुप या आइटम डबल बॉन्ड की एक तरफ है, अतः ये Z ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर है, और इस ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर में हायर प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर वाले ग्रुप या आइटम एक दूसरे के अपोजिट हैं, अतः ये E ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर है। क्वेश्चन, द IUPAC नेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड इज, दिस इज द कंपाउंड and it was asked in All India PMT 1998. Now we will number this carbon chain made up of 5 carbon atoms. Numbering will be from left to right, and thus double bond of one carbon atom of double bond will be numbered as 2 and other carbon of double bond will be numbered as 3. Now these are two groups or atoms at carbon number 2 of double bond. Cl will be given priority order number 1 and Cl3 will be given priority order number 2 according to sequence rules. In the same way, at carbon number 3 of double bond, I will be given priority order number 1. I will be given priority order number 1. I will be given priority order number 1 and CH2, CH3 will be given priority order number 2 on the basis of sequence rules. Now in this compound we observe that the same groups are atoms with higher priority order number are opposite to each other along the double bond. Therefore it is E geometrical isomer. Now the correct IUPAC name of this compound will be 2-chloro-3-iodo-pent-2-ene. Therefore answer will be C. ये क्वेश्चन ऑल इंडिया पीएमटी 1998 में पूछा गया था। अब इसमें सबसे पहले हम मुख्य कार्बन श्रृंखला का अंकीकरण, इस अल्कीन में मुख्य कार्बन श्रृंखला का अंकीकरण करेंगे बाएं से दाएं, 1 2 3 4 5। तो कार्बन नंबर डबल बॉन्ड का एक कार्बन नंबर 2 होगा और एक कार्बन नंबर 3 होगा। तो कार्बन नंबर 2 पे हम देख रहे हैं कि Cl आइटम है और CH3 है। Cl को हम priority order number 1 देंगे और CH3 को priority order number 2 देंगे according to sequence rule। इसी तरीके से डबल बॉन्ड के कार्बन नंबर 3 पर आयोडीन आइटम को priority order number 1 देंगे और CH2, CH3 को priority order number 2 देंगे sequence रूल्स के आधार पर। इस तरीके से हम देखते हैं कि हाई प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर वाले ग्रुप या आइटम डबल बॉन्ड के एक दूसरे के अपोजिट है, अतः यह ई ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर होगा और इसका IUPAC नेम होगा 2-chloro-3-iodo-pent-2-ene और वो ये है E 2-chloro-3-iodo-pent-2-ene। अतः सही इसका आंसर सी होगा।